Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to connect a domain to your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all the options that you can access in Webflow. Here I can see all the websites that I have created, and here I even have the button to go ahead and create a new website if I want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and be using this website right here that I have already created called YouTube Tutorials. So let's go ahead and open up the website in the page by clicking on Open Designer, and now this will open up the website and we can get started with editing it. So if you look at the left and right side of the screen, you will see options that you can use for editing the website. At the left side of the screen, you have the option to go ahead and add new elements and features to the website. You can see your components, you can see your website settings, and so on. In the right side of the screen, you can use these options to go ahead and edit and style those components and elements that you add, how they look. So you have the style option right here, you have the element settings, you can determine how they look on the page and how they look. So let's go ahead and see how to add a custom domain. The first thing we have to do guys, go right here into the upper right corner and click the publish button. Go ahead guys and click on publish, and now this will open up this new menu where you can select what type of publishing you want. You can either select staging or production. Staging will give you a normal URL that they give you if you have a basic plan, or you have the option to use a custom domain right here. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on add the custom domain right here under production. And this will now take me to this new page where I can go ahead and upgrade my plan. Because guys, to be able to use a custom domain, you have to have an upgraded plan. I'm currently on the free plan, so I cannot use the custom domain. But if you upgrade to a popular new plan, then you will be able to go ahead and go back right here and click on add a custom domain, and then they will allow you to connect the new domain that you have to this website and use that domain. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.